Have you ever prayed sincerely but life still didn't change? You believe, you wait, you stay silent, and still the problem remains. Today's Sai Baba story answers the question many of us are afraid to ask. If Baba is with me, why am I still suffering? Welcome back, everyone. In Shirdi, there lived a devotee who was facing one problem after another. First financial loss, then family tension, then health issues. Every day he came to Sai Baba, stood silently, and finally said, Baba, I believe in you. I never stopped trusting you. Then why is my life becoming heavier instead of lighter? This is not just his story. This is our story. We pray, we visit temples, we keep faith. But when problems don't leave, faith starts feeling tired. Sai Baba looked at him gently. No anger, no lecture, just calm compassion. And Baba said, if gold is real, it'll shine brighter after fire. Then devotee felt confused. Fire burns, fire destroys. So Baba explained slowly. Fire does not destroy gold. It removes what isn't gold. Then Baba said something very powerful. Suffering is not punishment, it is preparation. Many people think, if I have faith, I should not suffer. But Baba taught, faith is not tested during comfort. Faith is tested during confusion. Easy days don't build belief. Difficult days reveal it. Today, suffering looks different. Job pressure, financial insecurity, health anxiety, relationship silence, emotional loneliness. We ask, why me, Baba? Sai Baba's answer remains the same. Endurance is also prayer. Even when you wake up tired, you smile but feel broken, you keep going without answers, that itself is faith in action. Slowly, the devotee stopped asking, when will this end? Instead, he started asking, how can I remain steady? He still worked, he still tried, but he released fear. This is surrender, not giving up effort, but giving up constant anxiety. Sai Baba never rushed miracles because Baba doesn't change situations, he reshapes people. If your strength grows, your situation automatically follows. That is why Baba allows waiting. That is why Baba allows silence. Sai Baba never promised no pain. He promised no abandonment. So remember, delay is not denial. Silence is not absence. Struggle is not failure. Sometimes Baba walks beside you quietly, just to see whether your faith can walk without explanations. So, don't ask, why is this happening to me? Ask instead, what is this teaching me? Because faith that survives hardship becomes unshakable strength. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who is silently struggling and follow for more Sai Baba stories that connect faith with modern life. During difficult times, what helps you hold on the most? Faith, patience, or hope? Tell me in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Om Sai Ram.